Kenya will be pushing for integration of coffee as an anchor commodity in the African Union during the upcoming African Coffee Summit later this week. The meeting that brings together more than 25 coffee-growing countries in Africa is expected to craft various strategies for deepening coffee production and intra-African export. Kenya is also expected to use the meeting to restore its status as the center of coffee research and technological hub of coffee trading in Africa.
Statistics from the Intra-African Coffee Organization indicates that for the last 5 years, only 58,424 tons of clean coffee have been exported to 11 countries within Africa. This has been blamed on logistical challenges and low consumption of coffee in Africa, which accounts for a significant portion of global coffee produced in the world. To deepen the coffee trade within Africa, 25 heads of states and governments from coffee-producing countries in Africa are expected to converge in Nairobi for 2 days to sign the Nairobi Declaration. The summit, dubbed Sustainable Development and Economic Growth in the African Coffee Sector, will seek to consensus for integrating coffee as an anchor commodity in the African Union in harmony with the Africa Union Agenda 2063. Organizers say the summit, dubbed G25 African Coffee Summit, will also link coffee producers and marketers with other buyers from around the world. Coffee is a major socio-economic player in Africa, contributing billions of dollars in foreign exchange to the African economy and supporting an estimated 10 million people on the continent. Kenya has been a member of the Intra-Africa Coffee Organization since 1960, when IACO membership was 11 states, which has now grown to 25 states today. Coffee is the second most traded commodity in the world after oil.